Hello nail friends, welcome back to another video. So today I am so excited because it's time for another Diva Box again. So this one is the August Diva Box and I just got it from the mail, so let's unbox it. So when you open the box, this is what you're going to get, and I will be showing to you one by one. So first, here are the colors. So as per usual, you'll be getting 4 dip powders, and I'll be showing the colors and the swatches later. So here are the names and here are the colors, so I'll be showing more of that later. So you'll also be getting this clean it up tool. So I haven't personally tried this one, but I am really intrigued on how this performs. And another one is this crown, like a brush holder, or like you can stand your brush in here. That is really amazing. I am really excited to use that. So you will be also getting some rings. So there are 14 pieces of rings, and I believe these are different sizes. You can put it on your knuckles or midi rings, and these are all the designs. They are so gorgeous, and I am really happy because I am really into rings when I take my nail photos. So you'll also be getting a cuticle softener, so I am really excited to try this one. I always use the Blue Cross, so I am really excited to try this, and I will update you on how this performs. So yeah, this is basically what you'll be getting in this August Diva Box. So now let me just show you the swatches of the colors. So now let's proceed with the manicure. My nails are now ready. I am wearing Triple D Acry Gel as my base, and then I use UNT Peel Base. So I'll be using these 3 colors from the box. Let's first start with Diva Dip 29. So this one is a very nice turquoise color. So I'll be applying this first on my thumb and on my pinky finger, and I'll be doing some ombre later. So this is after I applied Diva Dip 29. I applied 3 dips on my thumb and 2 dips on my pinky. So now let's proceed with the ombre. I'll be using Diva Dip 29 and Triple Thread. I am going to do a vertical ombre, and we'll be doing the sprinkle over method. So I am applying dip base and using two different brushes. I am just going to sprinkle the powders on top. So I do have a lot of videos of this, so I do apologize because the video was cut and I didn't notice that I ran out of battery, but I just sprinkled the color and do like three layers, and I make sure to alternate each colors, and this is how it looks like. So now I am applying my third and last layer, so I just apply deep base and then sprinkle the powder.
Anywhere you go, anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere you say, anywhere.
So by the way, I forgot to tell you that triple thread is a thermal changer, and it also glows in the dark, so you actually can't see the transition because my hands are warm, but that color will turn dark gray if it is cold. So now I am going to use a Diva Dip 30. So this one is a foil dip, and I really love the transition of the foil. It is silver and blue color that is really super gorgeous. So I'll be applying two layers of this foil on my middle finger. So I separated some foils from this dip powder and will be applying it to the center of my nail to serve as a transition to those two colors that I ombreed a while ago. So this is how it looks like. So I am just going to apply dip powder on those two nails because I don't want to disrupt that foil that I put in the center, and this is after I encapsulate it. And now I decided to like do ombre on my thumb and pinky finger using the Diva Dip 30. So here is the ombre that I did. So I also did that on my pinky finger. I did it off cam, and this is how it looks like. So I'm going to clear encapsulate the rest of my nails, and after doing that, I am now going to activate.
Anywhere you say, anywhere you say, anywhere.
So I'm just going to file, shape, and buff my nails off cam, and this is how it looks like. So after that, I am now going to apply top coat. So I am really not sure if I will be doing like shiny top coat and or matte top coat, but first I am going to apply first the shiny top coat and decide later on if I will also do the matte. So I just cure that in the lamp for 60 seconds, and after curing, this is the shiny looks. And I took photos and videos of the shiny and decided to do also matte top coat. So I'll be applying this gel matte me up top coat from Triple D. And then cure that again for 60 seconds, and this is how the matte looks like. So I really don't know which one is more pretty, but I really love both of them. So let me just first apply my cuticle oil, and this one is from Scales of a Mermaid, and you can use my code Jessie10 for 10% off. And here is the finished look. So this is how my nails looks like when they are warm, so you really can't see the transition, but when it is cold, this is how it looks like. So that part turns gray to black. And here is the shiny that I did a while ago. I also took photos of the shiny because it is also nice. So this is warm, and here it is when it is cold. So yeah, let me know in the comment box below which one do you prefer. So thank you so much again for watching, and I will see you again on my next videos. Bye!